The EVIDA
Di ba?
exempts them from registration and they are not considered as motor vehicles. That's why the contention is e-trikes and e-bikes are not motor vehicles and therefore do not require registration under the EVIDA.
Yes,
At least that's a contention.
Yes, sir.
Some
Pero ang nagiging problema kasi, sir, yung pagtakbo sa National Highway. Yung pagtakbo nila sa National Highway, sir, hindi yung unang-una yung speed hindi nila kaya. So doon kayo makakakita sa Magallanes nga South Expressway, may tumatakbo sa gitna ng South Expressway. Sa EDSA, nakakita ako sa EDSA. So yun po yung ibig ko sabihin na talagang sa totoo lang, sir, may mga MC tayo na pinagbabawal yung mga ganyan sa National Highway.
You're looking at two issues actually. Your first is traffic or safety.
Yes.
The other one is registration. You're resolving a problem of traffic or safety by requiring them to register. Is that correct?
Yes. Sa ngayon kasi, sir,
Hindi naman income ng LTO hinahabol nyo.
hindi po eh. Road safety talaga yung problema. In fact, pwede naman sila sa mga inner roads, secondary roads connecting. Wag lang po sa National Highway.